Hello, the following is a tutorial on how to search and archive on a Pegasus PHDVRZ Series recorder. After putting in your password, the first thing that you want to do is right-click anywhere on the screen, then left-click on Search. And you'll see the 4 different ways that you can search for footage, the first being time date, the second being event. For example, if you have an alarm or a door contact closure hooked up to your DVR. The third is calendar, and we'll get back to calendar here in a minute. And the fourth is bookmarking. You can make your own bookmarks and then label them any way that you want to and come back to them later. But for this one, we're going to go back to calendar. Now you see the year, and you can change it with the arrow buttons that's over on the right, and the month, and the highlighted text just shows that we have footage for that date. We've recorded about 35 minutes worth of footage, and that's what's on here right now on channel 1. And you see the blue bar. The blue bar will tell you exactly where we have footage. That was for the hour. It's military time, so it's at 16, and we have about 25 minutes worth of footage right here between 1630 and 1655. So we're going to click on that, and we're going to look at our footage, and there we have activity. We know we have activity right here at about 1629 and 1630, and so that's the archive footage that we're going to lay down on our media. Normally you would see 9 channels of video here, but we only have 1 for this tutorial. You can see the time and date down in the lower right. So now we want to take this video and we're going to want to archive. So right click back on it and then click on Archive. As it says, device not selected, so it doesn't know quite yet exactly if you're going to use a CD, DVD, or a removable disc. This is clicked on removable disk. If you want to use a CD or DVD-ROM, then you just click on it again. Okay, there it says ODD1. That stands for optical disk drive. Since we're not going to be using that, we're going to go ahead and switch it back to the removable drive. Removable disk 1. Okay, exclusive means a proprietary format that's only available to this DVR. You can choose that, or if you could choose AVI, but AVI usually isn't submissible as evidence. So we're going to keep this as exclusive. Once you do that, you want to choose the time and frame. Remember that we said from about 1630 to about 1635 we had activity, and that's what we're going to want to lay down on this removable disk. So you can use your arrow buttons and switch to the appropriate time and date. Okay, this is our in, and we're going to want to say what time that we want to get out of this, which is 1635. This is very important. You need to click on the channel to bring up the channel bar and then highlight the camera. We're going to highlight camera 1 and click OK. Now you see up in our bar that we have an event ready to be archived. Click on calculate archive size. That way you know that you have enough space on your thumb drive to store this video footage, and then click on transfer. And it takes a little while just depending on how long your video is, but that's basically all there is to it. And then once you're done with that, then you have a removable drive that you can take with you and give to the police or whatever you need to do. Thank you for listening and watching this tutorial on how to archive on a PHDVR series recorder. If you have any questions, you can call us at the number at the end of this video. Thank you.